Now we will divide 658854 by 226. This is the table of 226. Now we will start dividing by 226. It is not there. Take next one. 65 is also not there in table. 226. Now 658. After taking this 8, it becomes 658. Search for this one, which is also not there. Just less than 658 is 452. That is 2s are 226 2s are 452. Subtract this one 6 0 and 206. Now take this one 8 down, it becomes 2068. Search for this one in the table of 226. 2068 is not there. 2034 is there, that is 9s are 226. 9s are 2034. Now subtract this one 4300. Take this one down, it becomes 345, which is not there. Less than this one is 226, that is 221s are 226. Subtract 15 minus 6 is 9. This one is 1. 119. Take this one down, it becomes 4. 1194. Now see for 1194, which is not there in the table. So just less than this one is 1130 is there, that is 5s. 226 5s, 1130. 1130. After subtracting this one, we get 54 as remainder, and this one 2915 is quotient. 64. Take this one as 64. Now we will verify this quotient and remainder by using this formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the quotient we got is quotient is 2915 and remainder is 64 and divisor it 226. Multiply these two and we'll write here this one quotient is 2915. 2915. Now we'll multiply 2915 and 226. Then after multiplying these, we add 64 to the product of these two numbers. See here, 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9, 6 9s are 54, 5 is here carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17. Now multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now multiply by 2 once again. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Add this 658790 plus 64. If we add 64 to this, see what we'll get. 4, this is 5, 8, 8, 5, 6, 5, 8, 8, 5, 4. 6, 5, 8, 8, 5, 4. This one we got. So the result is verified. 6, 5, 8, 8, 5, 4. Now we'll divide 6754845 by 2432. This is the table of 2432 table. Now we start dividing. 6 is not there in this table, 7 also not there, 675 also not there, 67, 6 is not there, 67 is not there, 675 is also less than this. So take next 6754, which is greater than this. We will search for 6754 in this table. 6754 is not there. Less than 6754 is 4864 is there. That is 2432 to the 4864. Now I will subtract 0. 15 minus 6 is 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. And 6 minus 5 is 1. 1890. Next digit down 8, and it becomes 18908. Search for this one in the table. Here 17024, 19456 is there, which is greater than this 18908. So take less than this one is this 17024. That is 7s are 2432 7s are 17024. Now subtract this one. 4, 8, 8. This is 1, 0, 1884. We'll get. Now take next digit down and write here 18844. Now search for this in this table. So greater than this, that is 19456. 2432 8 is greater. So less than this one is once again 17024 by 7 17024. Subtract this one 0, 2, 8, 1, 0. Take next one and write here. It becomes 18205. Once again we will take 7s are 2432 7s are 17024. Subtract 8. This one 1. This one 1. 0. This is remainder. This one is quotient. Verify this division process by using the formula dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is here 2777 into divisor is 2432 and remainder is 1181. First we will multiply these two, quotient and divisor, then we will add product of these two, remainder. We will get dividend. Let us start. 2777 into 2432. Now we will start multiplying by 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now by 2. By 3. 3 7s are 21 2. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23 2. 2 7 3 7s are 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Now multiply by 4. 4 7s are 28. 2 carry 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. 3 carry, 4 sevens are 28 plus 3, 31, 3 carry, 4 twos are 8 plus 3, 11. Now we will multiply by 2. Once again we will get this one only, 4, 5, 5, 5. Here we have multiplied by 2, no? Same result we will get, that is 4, 5, 5, 5. Now we will add these 4 results, 4, 6, this is 8 plus 8, 16, this is 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, and 13, this one is 15, this one is 7, 6. Now we will add 1, 1, 8, 1 to this 5, this one is 14, 8, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 4, 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 4, 5. This one we have got, so result is verified. Here we got 6, 7, 5, 3, 6, 6, 4 plus 1, 1, 8, 1. Finally we will get 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 4, 5. Now we will divide 48032 by 54. This is the 54 table. Now we start dividing 54. First we will take 4 which is not there in 54 table. Take next digit which is also less than 54. So once again we will take next digit, it becomes 480. Now we search for 480 in the table of 54. 480 is 486 which is greater than 480. So less than 480 is 432. So we will take 54 8s are 432. Now we will subtract this one. This is 8. This one is 4 0. Take next one down, 483, and search 483. 483 is not there. 486 greater than, so less than 483. 432 is there. 8s are 432. Once again, this is 1. This one is 5 0. Take this one down. Next digit, it becomes 512. Search for this one, 512. 5 foot is there, so which is greater, less than 512. 486 is there, so take 486. That is 54 9s are 486, and after subtracting this one we will get here 6. This one is 11 minus 9 is 2. This one is 0. 26 is remainder, and this 889 is quotient. Now we will verify this quotient and remainder in this division process. So by using this formula, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. After adding values to this formula, 889 is the quotient and divisor is 54 plus remainder is 26. First we will multiply this quotient and divisor, that is 889 into 54. Let us see what results we will get. 4 9s are 36. 6 here, 3 carry. 4 8s are 32 plus 3 is 35. 3 carry. 4 8s are 32 plus 3, 35. Now we will multiply by 5. 5 9s are 45. 4 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44. 4 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44. 6, 10, 10, 8, 4. Here 48006 plus 26. If we add 26 to this, see what we will get. This is 12, 3, 0, 8, 4, 48032. This one we got. For the result is verified. We should write for every problem, therefore quotient is 889 and remainder is 26. Whatever we get quotient and remainder, we are supposed to write at the end in this way. Now we will divide 2834198 by 378. This is the table of 378. Now we will start dividing by 378. In 378 table 2 is not there. Take next one. 28 is also not there. Now take third one, that is 283 is also not there. Once again take next one, that is 2834. It becomes the number 2834. Search this number in this table. So 2834 is not there. 2834, 3024 is there, that is greater than 2834. So just less than 2834 is 2646, that is 378 sevens are 2646. Now subtract this one from this one. 14 minus 6 is 8. This one is 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. This is 0. Take next one down and right here, it becomes 1881. Now once again search for 1881 in the table of 371. 1881, 1890 is there. 1890 which is greater, so less than 1881 is 1512 is there, that is 378 fours are 1512, and once again subtract this one from the given number. So 11 minus 2 is 9. This one is 6. This one is 3, 0. Take next digit down and right here. It becomes 3699. Once again search for 3699 in the table of 378. 3780 is there, which is greater than this one, so just less than 3699 is 378 9s are 3402. Subtract once again here, I will get 7, 9, 2, 0. Take next one down and right here it becomes 2978. Once again search for 2978 in the table of 378. 2978 is not there. 3024 is there, which is greater than this one, so just less than this one is 2646, that is 378 sevens are 2646. Subtract this one, 2, 3, 3, 0. 332 is the remainder, and this one quotient is 7497 is the quotient. Now we will verify this result. Verify this quotient and remainder by using this formula: dividend is equal to quotient into remainder, quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 7497. Divisor is this one 378 plus remainder is 332. Now we will verify this result. We will multiply these two, quotient and divisor. So here 8 sevens are 56. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 5, 77. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 7, 39. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 3, 59. Now we will multiply by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 4 carry. 7 nines are 63 plus 4 67. 6 carry. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 6 34. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 3 52. I will multiply by 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 nines are 27 plus 2 29. 3 fours are 12 plus 2 14. 3 sevens are 21 plus 1 22. Add this. So we got this one 283,866. We add 332 remainder to the product of these quotient and divisor. We will get 2834198. That is the dividend, this one. So this result is verified in this division process.